pollution occurs when the air contains gases, dust, fumes, or odors in harmful amounts. These amounts could be harmful to the health or comfort of humans and animals or cause damage to plants and materials. The substances that cause air pollution are called pollutants. Impurities that are pumped into our atmosphere and directly pollute the air from a source are called primary pollutants. An example of this is carbon monoxide from car exhaust and sulfur dioxide from the combustion of coal. According to Environment Secretary Ramon Paje, the air in the vicinity of the corner of EDSA and Taft Avenue in Pasay City has been measured to be the dirtiest in Metro Manila. He said that the measuring station of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources in the area had indicated that the amount of total suspended particles in the intersection was over 3 times the normal standard at 280 micrograms per normal cubic meter. As of the third quarter of the year, the average level of air pollution in Metro Manila was at 116 micrograms per normal cubic meter. Suspended particles from vehicles consist of carbon monoxide and sulfur molecules that have mixed with dust. Weather and environment officials said that pollution is responsible for the smog that blankets the metropolis in the latter half of the year. Reynaldo Razalan, a traffic enforcer for the last 20 years, states that he has had colleagues who develop asthma shortly after becoming a traffic enforcer along EDSA. He says that he wears a mask during his shift to prevent diseases from developing. Black carbon is a dangerous pollutant that is commonly found in vehicle emissions. It has been linked to lung cancer. According to Dr. Jerry Bagtasa, head of the Bagtasa Atmospheric Physics Laboratory of the Institute of Environmental Science and Meteorology in UP, areas in EDSA have alarmingly high rates of black carbon. In his studies, he found out that black carbon in other countries range from 1 to 10 micrograms per cubic meter. In contrast, measurements in EDSA, particularly at the Ayala station of the MRT and the Shaw Boulevard underpass, can reach 1,000 micrograms per cubic meter, well beyond the acceptable standard. We believe that the following recommendations will help reduce the effects of air pollution. First, the price of diesel fuel should be raised to reflect its actual cost for polluting the environment and infecting thousands who have gotten sick because of their diesel-laden emissions. The price of diesel and all other dirty fuels should be raised and made significantly higher than unleaded gasoline or other clean fuel alternatives. Second, phase out the two-stroke engines of tricycles. Government bodies like the LTO can disallow registration and licensing of those types of engines for use on public roads. Local governments can also withhold business permits for tricycle associations that use two-stroke engines. These changes should be phased in over time to allow tricycle owners to more easily adopt to the new rules. Only by starting with ourselves can we truly solve the root of the problem. If we all contribute in our little way, we would be able to further minimize, if not clear, the air pollution in EDSA. That action and that choice is yours to make.